In this tutorial, we will see that how you can join friends game in Among Us. So let's dive right in. So this first step is for your friend. If your friend, click on that green icon that's shown left upper side. It will show here his username or game ID. He simply have to copy it and send it to you. Now the second step is for you. If you want to join that friend, simply click on that play button and here select host, create game. Click confirm from right bottom side where it will show you dashboard like this, waiting for players. In the right upper side, you will find here this icon of lobby. If you click on that, you will be on this lobby section. Simply open the third one from here of friend list where you will see these two options, incoming request and add a friend via code. Select the second option, add friend via code, and simply paste the code that he will send to you. This code will look like this. Make sure to type hash before these numbers. After typing your friend code, click on that plus icon. Then this Among Us will send request to your friend. Then your friend has to come to the same option and here at the bottom side he will see here view request. He have to accept it. Then you can simply join game with your friend. So that's how you can join friends game in Among Us in just few easy steps.